Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to use CloudWatch and CloudTrail to monitor S3 buckets, both management events and data events. So basically, I capture data events from S3 buckets by CloudTrail, and then CloudTrail gonna send those events to a log group in CloudWatch, and then I use a filter, magic filter in CloudWatch to emit. I capture and filter only put event, and then I show magic and alarm as an optional action. So let me jump in the code to do it. Okay, so I'm init a new CDK project. We wait few seconds, and I assume that I already have an existing S3 bucket. Now I monitor data events, and then I upload data to S3 buckets, and I capture put events by CloudTrail and then by CloudWatch. Okay, let's jump in the folder S3. Okay, so let me delete all and I call it S3 monitor stack. And Let me check. So we put log group, we put the filter pattern to capture only put object event. Let me check I miss anything else. The magic namespace. Okay, so that is the filter, and we can emit magic and then a lamp. Let me check. Let me check a lamp and 3 put object a lamp. What matrix and then what threshold? Let's say 1000. More than 1000. Okay. So that's all. Let me review it again. So we're gonna have an already existing objects. Okay, and then I create a log group to store the events. Okay, and then I filter only put event, put object, event name equal to put object filter, and then I emit matrix, so I can also have the graph in CloudWatch. And this is CloudTrail. CloudTrail can't send. CloudTrail gonna send events to Cloud log group. So CDK already create a role for CloudTrail to write to log group. So we don't have to create this role. And then I select, I want to monitor only this specific bucket and specific prefix. So that's all. Let's go to the bin, and we need to remove this one. New S3 monitor stack, S3 monitor stack demo, and that's it. And then I delete this one. And I need to pass the bucket name which I want to monitor. Let me choose one bucket to be monitored. I choose this bucket, copy and paste, and that's it. Let's synthesize and hopefully no error. We need to jump in the S3. So we're synthesizing. Okay, no errors. We can deploy. Okay. And let's wait few seconds to see any errors. And no errors. So let's jump it. And I check the cloud formation. Okay, so it's coming. Okay. Okay, so why it deploying? Let me come back here and prepare some data. I make some data so I can upload to S3 buckets to create the event and check for. Okay, so I create 10 data files, and let me copy the script. So the script is just simple. It just keep uploading data to S3 buckets. So I just loop, keep uploading to S3. That's it. And then I can run it. Let's see if it finished. Yeah, so it finished. So let me copy. Just I need to export the environment variable for bucket. Okay, let me copy the first time. Okay, now we go here and review what resources it have been created, right? So we go here. This is a log group. Okay, let's go to also the S3 bucket. So this bucket and monitor by CloudTrail has been set up. So let's go to CloudTrail. So we see this one. So it has been monitored by CloudTrail. So let's go to CloudTrail and see. So this is the shell, this shell, and we can see that it's gonna put the logs, the events to log group with this role. CDK create with this role for us. So okay, and we monitor specific bucket. Let me come back and run it. Okay, so we keep uploading. Okay, so we just monitor specific bucket with specific prefix, and that is CloudTrail. So let's go to CloudWatch. We're gonna go to CloudWatch. We don't need this. Okay, so this is a log group. Let's log group, and let's see any. Okay, so it have captured some events. Let's see. Oh, okay, so we see that it captures some event. Uh, so it captures both management events. This is management event and also data events. We're looking for data event, so I think this is a data event. Okay, uh, so we're gonna use some filters to do it, right? Because it has a lot of both. So let me go here and I choose this log group, and I can queries. Yes, so we can see some event also from here. Event name is not the put, it's not the put object. We want the put object, so let me check how can I filter it. So uh, there is no put object event yet. because it's not real time. It's not real time. We have to wait. Let's come back the log group, and we can see we have set up and filter. This is a filter. So we set up filter, and this filter also emit matrix. So we're gonna see. Yeah, that's we also can filter from here also. Let me go to the. Okay, so this is the magic we have set up. Put objects, but it takes a while. It takes maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes for the graph to show. So I just show you here, and then you can set up a lamp. We can choose this one, sum. It will take a while, and now what we can do is we check again the code. Okay, so we still uploading. So forget this one. We need to come back the log group and looking for the data events. Okay. So event is a list, access point something, not put if the push objects not showing yet. It's not real time, so sometimes we have to wait for several minutes. We can use a filter in here. Let me copy again, because I want to filter for only put object in this log group. Yeah, so now you see it is started showing that there are such events. So I show more filter event equals that count. Okay, so so now we see that we can capture event name put object only. It takes a while. So if I no limit, and then I can come back the count and see how many things. So we got about 735 records, but that's okay. Let me try to come back the magic to see is that available yet. Put objects magic dimension here. uh, so we still have to wait, but you can see from here, and from the log group. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you.